Hello, my name is Andrew Woodward. I'm a paramedic with Mid-Georgia Ambulance. Today I'm going to show you how easy it can be to save a life using hand-to-heart CPR. Anyone can do it. In the past we always taught that you should breathe for the patient, but recent studies have shown that it's not as effective as we once thought it was. We like to focus on chest compressions. We find that it is most important. Now before you do CPR, when you're coming on scene, take a look around and make sure that it's safe for you. Now when you approach your patient, you need to check their level of consciousness. Sir, are you okay? Now, if he doesn't respond, there's an emergency. You or someone around you needs to call 911, and you need to check to see if the patient is breathing. To do this, use the palm of your hand on their forehead and 2 fingers on the bony part of the chin, but not the skin because you might close off the airway. Gently tilt their head back. Get down at their level. You want to look down the chest. See if it's rising and falling as they breathe. Try and listen to hear them breathing and feel the wind on your cheek. If you're not getting any signs that the patient is breathing, you need to move straight to chest compressions. You're going to have to remove any clothing that is obstructing you from doing this. To find where you need to put your hands, follow the rib cage until it meets at the center. Put 2 fingers above that location and then the heel of your hand above that. Now, I like to use my left hand, but it's really not important as long as you are able to adequately compress on the chest. Once you've found your location, pull your fingers back with your other hand, lock in your elbows, and get at a 90-degree angle over your patient. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm doing this on a table. If you are doing chest compressions, it's best to have them on the ground, so take them off of wherever they're at and put them on the ground so that you can kneel down and be next to them. Now, once you are over them, it's time to compress. Remember, we need to push down at least 2 inches, and we need to compress at a rate of 100 beats a minute. Now, how do you keep beat? You can actually use the song Row, Row, Row Your Boat to keep beat. It actually has exactly 100 beats a minute. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Now, once we've gotten here, what is the next step? Well, believe it or not, that's actually all you need to do. Once you get to the part where you're doing chest compressions, we continue chest compressions until help arrives, whether it's an ambulance or someone with more advanced training. You continue these steps and you have done everything you need to do. It's literally that easy to save a life. With hand-to-heart CPR, anyone can be a hero.